This is the story of living simply in Sicily. Why don't you come along with us and sing along the way? If you had a favorite group that you used to sing with, try and imagine you can still hear them now.
Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're living simply in Sicily, or wherever we are. We like to live a simple lifestyle, and this video is just about how we live our life every day. And with spring coming, and it almost has arrived,
Yes.
we've had beautiful spring flowers, actually kind of windy breezes by the sea.
Right.
Spring-like, where it's just you never know what the weather's going to do.
It's trying to make the transition.
It is.
And I think it's going to go from kind of cold and windy to hot.
Yeah. I'm hoping it's not going to be as hot as it was here in Sicily last summer. We heard when we were in Florida, their temperatures were even higher, like in the hundreds.
Yeah, triple digits.
Yeah. So a few things that have happened this week is that we've just been doing some walking and enjoying outside. Jeff's been practicing the drone, so we'll show you a little drone footage.
Maybe.
This is where we walk to every day. It's beautiful. I decided to buy a couple shirts for the trip that we're going to Puglia and packing for that. And what's interesting, I bought this shirt in the Chinese store, and the sizes are different in Italy. So I got the size that I thought I wore, but it was a little tight, and we went to bring it back. We had just been there like 30 minutes before.
Fat chance of that.
Yeah. So we go back, and first of all, they're Chinese speaking Italian, and I'm American speaking bad Italian, and no Chinese. So it was like, but you have the slip.
Yes.
She just saw our faces.
Yep.
We have the same clothes on. Walk in, and they're not going to give me my money back. It's a very common thing that we've run into in Sicily.
Yes.
I don't know all of Italy, but in Sicily, they will not return your money. Sometimes they'll give you a credit. In this case, I was in there for what, half an hour?
Yeah, probably.
Talking to them 4 or 5 different people,
Yep.
and they just getting louder and angry, and they weren't even gonna give me a credit. So I just gathered up my stuff and brought it home, and I thought, well, we can either make a gift out of it or I can modify it. So I decided
Some things are not worth the aggravation. That's one of them.
yeah. And you know, sometimes you take something and you're like, okay, I'm not gonna let it ruin my day. And I like the shirt, so I'm gonna
Yeah.
figure out a way to wear it. So what do you think? So a little sewing, a little, you know, taking lemons and making lemonade, you know. So that is our philosophy pretty much. You know, you make the best of a situation and you can overcome it. It's just like not the end of the world.
Gigi is a very creative person and very talented when it comes to these kind of things. So she was it was far easier for her to modify the top and make it her own, and which she did, and you couldn't tell the difference. You'd think it was made that way from the store. Way easier.
We'll see. But anyway,
Yeah.
at least I can wear it. It's a nice 100% linen. I thought, okay, for that price, but you know, you get what you pay for. But the sizing is different here, so
Yeah.
keep that in mind,
Right.
you know. And also when you're traveling, you have to have smaller suitcases, like on Ryanair, Vueling, these different airlines. And so we're trying to figure out how we can get these small, because you have to fit it under your seat, and you're not allowed to even have a carry-on that you put above your head.
Right.
So there's some of the challenges that you have
Sure.
in Italy. We're really looking forward to our trip.
But we shall endeavor to persevere.
Yes, we will. And we hope that you will too. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
If you're new here, we hope you enjoyed it, and you can give us a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. Ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.